Here's a fix for the JVC HDD Everio 20 gig. The lens cap error. I don't know if it sweats or what it does, but see right there where it looks wet. Right there. And then you can see that one real good. All that after multiple uses or in high heat or whatever, or however it happens, that gets stuck together. That's the part that's supposed to slide open and let the light in. And it won't slide open because the that part gets stuck. But that's what I wanted to show you. You have to tear it all down to get inside your lens right here. Take it out. Alright, that's all. Thank you very much. Well, there you go. That's how you fix a JVC JVC 20 gigabyte hard drive. What was it called? Everio. Hell, I'm sorry, can't pronounce that name very good. And I've got it all back together. There you go. JVC. It says 9 hours and 28 minutes left. Thank you very much.